Well, just a quick afternoon shot, folks. These swirly fucking patterns sit up in the area. I keep getting a glimpse of blue. Right, lad. Pissing it down, lad. So I keep getting a glimpse of blue, and then these planes come over, folks. I kid you not. And then it's just like this, you can hear now on the roof. Within seconds of them going over, it's like someone's just tipping a bathtub, you know, the largest bathtub ever made of water down on us, folks. And it just all comes in one gush and then stops. You can see fucking sun's out at one side. Let's see if I can get a shot up there. You see it raining here, folks. This is the engineered cool down, the ice nucleation. Come here, lad. Come here. Come here where it's dry with you. You can see it, folks. See it on the path. You see it bouncing off Rabbit Hutch here. And it's the planes. Look at it. I swear to you, folks, you could not make this up. This is from the planes that leave a lot more than stains, folks. You see the nucleation here above the trees. It's not cloud, that, folks. It's not cloud. Yeah, it stands out from the cloud next to it. But take a look at that, yeah? And then take a look at that there. You know, the obvious, like I keep saying, it stands out from the cloud. So now we have the beautiful blue, beautiful sun. And then in 10-15 minutes, we've got this rainbow effect in a straight line here. In a few minutes, the planes will come again. You see the lines there, folks. The planes will be back. And in their path, in their wake, they lead this fucking, these quick, short, sharp bursts of torrential downpour, as I've just shown you now. You couldn't make it up. You'd swear this was the middle of fucking summer. Look how beautiful and how glorious that is there, folks. Look. Yeah? Just a few seconds ago, over came the planes, followed by the stains, and then this shit. That is nucleation of some kind, folks. And we know that ice nucleation, they call weather modification, yeah, creates all kinds of havoc. It creates hail, it creates storm, hail, it creates snow, it creates all kinds of climate that isn't weather. Just look at that now. And it comes so fast. It's just like someone's teamed the fucking thing out. The heavens open. When people say the heavens open, well, they do. But then they close as fast. Because it isn't the heavens, folks. It's just these planes that are spraying the sky. And they are spraying the sky without a word of a lie. I kid you not, they're spraying the sky. How are you, lad? Spraying the sky, aren't they, lad? Yeah. 10 years now he's been with me. Watching me spray the sky. Watching me film them spraying the sky. Sorry, folks. Been a busy day for me, I kid you not.